Okay, long form video, I guess. Where do I start? Probably should get out the motherboard. It's over here. I have to turn on the lights. Ignore that. Not the best thing, actually. Look it. So I do realize that the CPU has not yet arrived, and this is the wrong type of screw. I need like a flathead. This is really hard. With one hand. Okay, there we go. I'm actually recording the right way this time. Okay. Next, in goes the drive. Okay, got the drive. Boom. Okay, so that's up. It's sticky, just like my brother's personality. Yeah, I do not have a stock cooler for this, because the stock cooler for this CPU when I originally bought it is in my brother's computer. Okay, good news. I found screws. Anyway, I need the RAM, which is on top of this old GPU box, my brother's. Oh, stupid case. Okay. They're not even plugged in. Okay. Okay. Oh, great. For this motherboard, it's 2 and 4. It's a miracle of it. You know what? Maybe I should put it in the 2nd and 4th slot like I said I would. Boom. Great at this. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think I need to put it in the case now. Maybe I do the power supply first. Okay, power supply is in. I just need to screw the screws in. Okay, power supply is in. I screwed in the screws. See, like right there. Now we gotta figure out where these go. Gotta do all the cables. Oh my gosh, I don't like the power supply. I do have some fancy cable extensions. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna get the motherboard now. Okay, motherboard is in. I do only have one screw, so I need to grab the rest. This one was actually kind of hard to find. I think it was, yeah, it was this one. Hold up. Boom. Just gotta do that a bunch more times. Feet are hurting. I'm at like a... Okay, this one up here by the CPU power. There we go. Come on. Go. Okay, I'm just gonna put the rest in without the camera. Okay, all the screws are in. RAM is in, processor's in. I'm gonna have to, the cooler has not arrived yet, so I'm gonna have to do thermal paste stuff with that. Now I just need the graphics card. Graphics card's like right there behind the keyboard. think it's dual slot. So I'm just gonna take off these. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. It just literally slid right off. I'm just gonna assume it's these two. Okay, we are slotting in the RTX 3060. I did the wrong things. Okay, I'm back with the 3060. This time we're plugging it in to the right. Oh yeah, it's unlocked. Okay, it's plugged in. Now just screws. Okay, I think this should be everything besides the cooler. Now it's time for the fun part. The management of all the cables. After all like the 5 PC builds I don't know where this goes. Like it's not SATA. Maybe somewhere down there? I have no clue where this goes. Okay, so cable management should be done. I still don't have the cooler. That thing arrives tomorrow, maybe? Maybe cable management's done. I don't know. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna be happy. I mean, I'll fix it, but... Okay. So it took like way too long for the Windows to load onto the ISO. Power supply is switched on. That did not do anything. I mean, the cable extension looks fire. We'll say HDMI 1. Maybe. Okay. So, it did boot. Meaning we're good. Wait, why would I want to install Windows? I don't even have the cooler. The CPU would probably just overheat. Yeah, so it works. I just need the cooler. And to get the fans working. You know what? I'm doing that later. The point is, the computer works. Okay. We have the... I don't have the power supply on. Cooler is here. And it all turns on. Hold up. I do not get press it with my finger. Oh my gosh, it's a completely different color on my phone. Nice to see it all works.